The Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin, Japan's fifth-generation fighter jet, is one of the most mysterious and ambitious projects in the history of Japanese aviation. The X2 Shinshin project was developed by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries in close cooperation with Japan's Ministry of Defense and the Acquisition, Technology and Logistics Agency. The aircraft was officially unveiled in 2016 and completed its maiden flight on April 22 of the same year from an airfield in Nagoya. Its appearance immediately evoked comparisons to the world's top stealth aircraft: sleek contours, sharp angles, no protruding elements, and radar-suppressing air intakes, all designed to minimize radar cross-section and enhance stealth capabilities. The X2 is powered by two IHI XF51 turbofan engines with thrust vectoring, offering exceptional maneuverability, particularly at low speeds and during close-range dogfights. But behind this technical power lies a strategic and political message. For decades, Japan relied heavily on the United States for defense, especially in the field of military aviation. Developing its own fifth-generation fighter was a clear signal that Japan was ready to pursue greater autonomy. However, in 2018, Japan announced the suspension of the standalone ATDX program in favor of a hybrid approach, combining X2 technologies with international partnerships under a new program known as FX. Nonetheless, the X2 became the foundation for the future. Every technology tested on it, including stealth, engines, sensors, and advanced materials, laid the groundwork for Japan's next-generation combat aviation. Another interesting development by Japanese engineers is the Kawasaki C2 military transport aircraft, designed to meet the needs of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force for modern and efficient airlift capabilities. With a maximum payload capacity of up to 37.6 tons and a range of up to 6,500 kilometers when carrying a 12-ton load, the C2 is capable of transporting a wide variety of cargo, including military equipment, humanitarian supplies, and personnel. The aircraft is powered by two General Electric turbofan engines, enabling a cruising speed of approximately 890 kilometers per hour. The cockpit features a modern glass cockpit design with advanced digital displays and a fly-by-wire flight control system, enhancing both safety and operational efficiency. Additionally, the C2 is equipped with an automated loading and unloading system, which reduces ground handling time and labor requirements during logistics operations. You are looking at unique footage showcasing a military aviation parade of the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force, held at the former Tachikawa Air Base in the western part of Tokyo. Although this location is no longer used as an active military base, it regularly serves as a venue for large-scale demonstration events, where the Japanese military displays its capabilities, equipment, and the high level of training of its pilots. The parade features coordinated flights of various military helicopters, performed in tight formations and complex aerial patterns, requiring exceptional skill, precision, and synchronization from every crew member. These are not just flights, they are a full-fledged aerial performance, where every second and every movement trajectory is meticulously planned. The event involves some of the most important and versatile aircraft in Japan's Army aviation fleet. The purpose of such events is to demonstrate the combat readiness and capabilities of the Japan Self-Defense Forces, boost public confidence in the military, strengthen patriotism, and inspire young people to take an interest in military service. The next-generation amphibious aircraft named the Shinmea US2 was developed by the Japanese company Shinmea Industries, specifically for the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force. This unique flying machine combines advanced aviation technologies with the capabilities of a maritime vessel, allowing it to take off and land on water, even in wave conditions of up to 3 meters, making it indispensable for search and rescue operations in the open ocean. 4 powerful Rolls-Royce AE2100J turboprop engines provide a maximum range of up to 4,700 kilometers and a cruising speed of approximately 480 kilometers per hour. The aircraft is primarily intended for search and rescue missions, including the evacuation of the injured, delivery of humanitarian aid, and rescue of crews from distressed ships and submarines. The US-2 is equipped with a modern navigation system, night operation equipment, thermal imaging cameras, and an automatic water landing stabilization system. The Japanese military has developed one of the most technologically advanced maritime patrol aircraft in the world, the Kawasaki P1. This unique aircraft became the world's first jet-powered anti-submarine patrol plane, designed from the ground up after the end of the Cold War. The Kawasaki P1 is powered by 4 low-noise IHIF 710 turbofan engines, making it significantly quieter and more efficient for long-duration ocean patrol missions. It is capable of extended-range operations and all-weather surveillance thanks to its advanced sensor suite, which includes a multi-mode radar with an active electronically scanned array, a magnetometer, and infrared tracking systems. The P1's armament includes torpedoes, depth charges, anti-ship missiles, and countermeasure deployment systems. It can also detect and engage submarines using deployable sonobuoys, making it a powerful asset in maritime security and anti-submarine warfare. The Japanese continue to strengthen their armed forces by localizing and modernizing proven foreign technology, and one prominent example of this is the UH-60JA multi-role helicopter. Based on the American Black Hawk and produced under license by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, this helicopter has become an important asset of the Japan Ground Self-Defense Force. The aircraft is designed to perform a wide range of missions, including tactical troop transport, medical evacuation, reconnaissance, aerial surveillance, firefighting, and humanitarian missions. The UH-60JA can reach speeds of up to 265 kilometers per hour, has a flight range of over 1,300 kilometers, and is capable of transporting up to 11 fully equipped soldiers or a substantial cargo load. Other notable features of the UH-60JA include modern avionics, an integrated navigation system, night flight equipment, and in-flight refueling capability. Before you is Japan's latest next-generation multi-role helicopter, the SH-60L. Designed for a wide range of missions, the SH-60L excels in maritime patrol, anti-submarine and anti-surface warfare, search and rescue operations, and humanitarian efforts. It plays a vital role in protecting Japan's maritime borders, preventing illegal activities, assisting vessels in distress, evacuating the injured, and delivering aid. The SH-60L is manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries under license from the American company Sikorsky. Powered by 2 General Electric turboshaft engines, it delivers high performance and reliability. The helicopter achieves a maximum speed of 270 kilometers per hour, offers a range of around 830 kilometers, and can remain airborne for up to 4 hours. The SH-60L is also equipped with anti-ship missiles, machine guns, and automatic cannons for defense against small targets. Joby Aviation, in collaboration with Toyota, has developed a revolutionary electric flying vehicle known as the N542JX. This project represents one of the most promising examples of urban air mobility, aimed at creating environmentally friendly, quiet, and efficient solutions for aerial transportation. Featuring 6 rotors and a fixed wing, the N542JX offers high aerodynamic efficiency, with a maximum speed of up to 320 kilometers per hour and a flight range of approximately 240 kilometers. Its fully electric propulsion system makes the aircraft eco-friendly by eliminating carbon emissions, while its low noise level allows it to operate in densely populated urban areas. Key applications of the N542JX include passenger transport, cargo delivery, and use in emergency services, such as rescue missions or medical supply transportation. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.